Alright guys, I gotta put a track on this thing. One of the first steps is pulling the exhaust off, and you know the deal, it's federal law. You pull the exhaust off, you gotta start it, see what it sounds like. Man, that's awesome.